Look at all these, what's these cactuses called?
Ocotillos.
Yeah, ocotillos. Look at all them. I forgot the name of them. There's a bunch of them out here.
Yep.
Guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out with Randy and we're out exploring some trails somewhere between the mountains.
And scratching up Randy's new bike.
Scratching up Randy's new bike. You go back and watch the last video. I'll replay that spot about 6 times in that last video probably. If I dump it, I'll only show you once. Slow-mo, that's what it takes, a good slow-mo.
Yeah. I didn't think it was going to go down that far. I didn't get my foot out from under the darn thing.
You hardly didn't really even crash. You just got on that bank and you just kind of just laid right there on the bank. I mean, it wasn't as far a flop as the last time you did it.
No. It's just there's a whole bunch more bank close to me to pin me in. I could. It wasn't no place to go roll and get out of the way.
Yeah, that's what got your foot in there.
Yeah.
Your boot. So his brand new 300L. It ain't a brand new 300L no more. It's just lightly used and lightly abused. Ain't too bad of trails out here, just rocky.
Yeah. Goes from rocky to sandy to rocky to sandy to...
Exactly what it does. You started on the left, so I stayed on the left. You went to the right.
I go where this thing seems to want me to go. That's basically what I do, I think. I don't know, every time I think I see a better spot, and I go over there, and then I'm like, yeah, that wasn't so good.
The bike wants to go over here, so we'll just go this way.
Yep, there you go.
I don't know if that's the same trail, but I see one way over straight ahead of us.
Yeah.
Nah, well, it is. It goes over here in T's. We're on the East Hilton Ranch Road, I think is what it says.
Okay.
So there should be a Hilton Hotel over here somewhere, huh?
Let's hope so.
I can't afford one of them anyway, so I'll have to sleep outside while you go in there. I'm like that sandwich, po' boy. Have you ever had to use the brakes enough you notice the ABS working?
No, I haven't never got on that hard.
You hardly ever would use the ABS probably. If you have to, it'd probably come in handy. So it looks better on the left up here than the right. On the right there's a rut and the left looks better to me. I don't know. Whoa, I got a rut there. I slid off in it.
I was just trying to stay in the bottom of them.
That's what I tried. I thought about getting in it, and then about that time it sucked me into it. I don't know that it was any better. This is the East Hilton Ranch Road. Let me see where it goes here. It goes on and on and on to Apache Spring. That's where it stops, at Apache Spring, whatever that is. It's on BLM. And then if we go left,
Take us back out to the BDR road somewhere, bro.
well, it goes back. Yeah, it takes us back to where it's probably that one that we was going on, and we decided to turn around and go back to the thing. That's what it looks like. So,
Whatever sounds good to you. I think this camera might have shut off. I don't know.
yeah, it just gets dark. If you look, you probably see a little clock on there or something ticking down.
Yeah, I see. Looks like some real faint printing or something.
Yeah, that's it. That's a clock. So I don't know what Apache Spring is, or if it's bad going to it. I don't know. Either way is a choice. We go back this way, we can go back and back out. If we go this way, we'll have to go back here and turn around and come back probably to here. So, whatever you think. As long as it stays like this, I don't mind at all. This ain't bad at all here. A little rocky, but
A little bit rocky.
I don't even mind hill climbs that are rocky so much. I hate them when you get in the boulders and ledge rocks.
Yeah. Well, now this road's going to split again up here.
Yeah, there's one off to the left that dead ends.
Okay, so we want to stay to the right?
Yeah.
Get on that center.
Yeah, don't ride on that centerpiece. That's where all the rocks go to.
Yep. And they all like to roll because they rolled there.
I've dumped this 300L several times since I've owned it. Way more than you have yours. And about the same kind of thing. Not a bad crash. It's just silly stuff like that. A lot of these places I go to it and it says something sprained. And I get here, a lot, now all of them ain't that way, but some of them there ain't no sprain nowhere that I see.
Yeah.
There probably is a wet weather, maybe.
Putting this down in the wash.
Yep, it is. It goes across right there. I don't know. Hang on, let me look at that. That may be bad stuff.
It goes across.
Oh, it's not as bad as it looked.
I'm right behind you.
I'd stay on the right side, or left and then right. Probably. It don't really matter. Doesn't really matter. One's about as good as the other. Whoa, now we're kind of getting into something. What is this?
Oh, I see a big old windmill over there.
Oh, I guess it ain't bad on the right. The left's bad. Just seen that rut there. Pretty good rut. Where's the windmill? Oh, yeah, I see it. Straight ahead. We're on BLM land now. Again.
So I know nobody's taking care of the roads. Oh.
No doubt. Well, there ain't no maintenance out here. I'd say whatever it does is what it does. What it is what it is. Stay left up here. Yep, there's the windmill. Yeah, just stay left all the way. And left again. Dang, that's some deep rocks in the middle there. I don't know what the heck we're getting into up here. I'm just down in the rut. I'm just staying in the rut. Whoa. You keeping her going? What do you think?
I'm still going. I won't be right now, but got my training wheels out.
Yeah, no doubt. I did too. Big rocks. Now, what kind of hill this is up here?
Well, what are you thinking?
It's not bad other than right here. There's one little spot, but I don't think it'd be bad. It's up to you. You can pull up here and see. As long as you don't go in that rut on the left, stay right here, I think, and right here, smooth. Just keep rolling. Whoa! You probably got that on video. I don't want to cross this gravel in the middle, so I'm gonna stay right. Oh, you're already over there. Stay over there. You're on the good side. Let's stop here. Take a break. It's like a good place as any. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and end this video here. Thank you all for watching Woodzman Adventures. Click that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. You'll be notified when I put out a new video. Right on. Hey guys, just want to let you know if you want to save some money and you want a super quality product, this is the Nelson Rigg Gear line of hurricane luggage. Hurricane means it's the outdoor, off-road, 100% waterproof luggage from Nelson Rigg. It is super good quality. Lifetime order, you just can't beat it. And if you want to save 25% right now, go to nelsonrigg.com, put in the code Woodzman, WOODZMAN, and you save 25% off your order. Any orders over $50, you get free shipping. Right on.